What's up, guys? Today started off as a rainy day. It's clearing up a little bit. So I figured I'd show you guys around, I guess, the areas that I fish. This is what I have tied on right now. So the first spot that I actually like. It's really dirty. It's not clean water by any means. But I go to two different spots up the river as well, and then there's sort of like a fork where the river splits off, and then it comes back and it emerges over here up here. So I'm gonna go ahead, just give a few casts. This part of the river I've only caught two so far. I came up here earlier just to check it out, and I saw, I don't know what it was, but it was some sort of bird. But I didn't see it at first, but when I started walking back, he jumped out right in front of me and he took off, and I just figured he had to be eating something. And I walked over and he had what I think was a raccoon. It looked really, I don't know, it looked really similar to a raccoon. It was something furry for sure. I'm gonna keep walking down river a ways. Now at the start of the year when I first came out, I saw this guy on the other side of the river, and he actually caught two on the other side, just over here. Oh, it got bit right there. If I lose this lure on this branch, this is the second lure I've lost to that branch. It's just right over there, but I don't want to get in trouble and walk into this side of the property, you know? I will get in the water, I don't even care, honestly. To be honest, looks like we're bagging it. This better be worth. Let me go. Get in the water. Water's gonna be so cold. It is so cold. However, I figured maybe I'll see the other lure, if it's still here, and snag that lure with it. I see it. I see the other lure. I'm gonna just grab that other one too. Take that one. I got mine back. Now the other one, I don't know if you can see, right here. But when I lost this one, it was way colder than this, and there was no way I was getting in for that lure. I can feel all that water still in my boots. Actually, I walked over here and I had seen a vulture or something. I don't know what it was. Snacking on something over here. Oh yeah, it's a raccoon. Stinks. Ugh. Water looks really good. There's a guy fishing over there. He's doing something over there. However, we're coming this way. that. Actually, at the beginning of the year, the water was actually all the way up here. I couldn't walk. Or I guess I could. I just had to jump over a little bit of water that was making its way to this mini stream. Like I said, it's really dirty over here. But yeah, this is where I go fishing here at work when I'm on break. One last cast. It wouldn't hurt. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that. Unless I'm just seeing things. We followed it again. Oh, there's another one. There's two of them. They're just babies, though. I don't think we're gonna catch them. So much for last cast. Oh, he wanted it. He wanted it. No way. Please, come on. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys can still see. Still recording. And here, there's always a big and hiding. Nothing. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh, I scared him off. I didn't even see him. I saw a little baby swim up too. I don't know if you guys seen him, but giant. The biggest trout that I've taken out of this river, or that I've caught out of this river, has been. I didn't have a anything measured. I just used my arm, and he was just about from my middle finger to the tip of my elbow. It's massive. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed.